Hello there, my beautiful souls. My name's Hunter from Hunter's Healing Heart. I'm a health, wellness, and ascension coach, helping you rise towards your highest frequency, vibration, and truth. And today's message, guys, is do not quit. Do not quit. Do not quit. I know it could be uncomfortable, challenging. You're losing hope. There's despair. There's darkness around you. Everything is falling apart. How do you show up? Right, so that is what we're going to be talking about. A little inspiration, motivation for your life for today. But before we have our sponsor for today, I present to you GTS Kombucha. Kombucha, guys, is a fermented drink established a long time ago to help your body heal. That fermentation, those probiotics and other mechanisms in there are meant to help heal your gut health. Your gut health is one of the most important aspects of healing. If that's out of alignment, I promise you everything else will be out of alignment in your body. So take ownership, put that good bacteria in, and also get that sparkling sensation. What's cool with this brand, this is the functional mushrooms. So this has reishi, mushroom of immortality, chaga, a mushroom, I can't remember the nickname, but a lot of very potent immunity boosting effects and antioxidants that help with aging. And then it has turkey tail, one of the best mushrooms for the gut and your gut biome, used in conjunction with cancer treatment. And this cola, and they have a root beer flavor, guys. Exceptional, phenomenal. Highly check them out, guys. It's much better than soda. Your body's going to feel replenished, and your gut is going to be happy. Oh, man, that hits. Amen, amen, amen. And so for the message for today, guys, what it's going to come down to is you are always creating in your life, right? And this is an internal process of your thoughts and the integrity of your mind, your body, your spirit, your emotions, your sexual energy, all of that, but also some of the forces outside yourself. And this is God, this is your guides, this is other entities that have such a bigger perspective. And so when you are going through your shit, right? When you are in struggle, it's hard to be like, well, why am I here? I'm doing all the right things. I'm doing my hypnotherapy. I'm doing my creation, my body work. I'm doing everything, and yet I'm still here. Why? And guys, you are exactly where you need to be in there, and there are lessons in it. There are connections. There are moments. There are experiences, and just trust the process, guys. But I promise you, if you take ownership and keep showing up, that is the key, guys. No matter how crazy it gets, no matter how you're feeling on the inside, it could be absolute chaos inside, right? And to give you an example, you know, this past probably year, 2 years, very challenging for me in a lot of ways. A lot of things taken away, a lot of challenges, health issues, and I do body work and massage therapy, a part of what I do, and I have to give, guys. And there were moments where I was like, I feel absolutely awful. And if I had the choice, I would just say, hey, I can't do this right now. If I had other sources to keep me fulfilled, but I was like, no, I'm meant to do this. I'm here. And now, you know what? I'm going to show up and just do my best. And so there were times where I would do retreats, like 7.5 hours of body work. And I was so depleted, but I showed up anyway, guys. And as you keep doing that in life, the belief about yourself and the empowerment that comes from that is so resoluting and strong, and really solidifies your self-belief and conviction, guys. Anyone could show up when life is good. Sunshine and rainbows, their relationships are great, having amazing sex, their bellies are full, they have a good, stable system and support system. How do you show up when all that's taken away? That's where you get to see who you truly are. Amongst the uncertainty, the unknowing, no hope. You keep showing up, guys. Keep showing up. Keep showing up. And you have a gift inside you, right? And it takes time, experiences, lessons, integration to really release it and letting go. So these chapters, these moments are meant for you to acquire, gain this insight, this wisdom, this truth, right? And it becomes stronger through the adversities, guys, because if you haven't had to fight for it, if you haven't had to claw your way out of hopelessness, despair, depression, suicide, health issues, cancer, it doesn't mean as much. Versus, no, I know why I'm here and I'm ready to show up every single day. And no matter what comes across my path, it is my duty and is my honor to keep showing up, and don't quit. Don't quit. And with this, guys, all it takes is one moment to completely change your life. In terms of a social media video blowing up, and now your big success, your big hit, it could be one person you meet, right? And it's easy when things aren't going well for that to be your identity, for you to attach to it, versus letting it go, not defining your worth, still showing up, not allowing it to tank your self-esteem, and being able to communicate and articulate exactly what you want, what you're here for, to have that passion inside you guys. And I promise you, there are going to be moments, but if you're not open, you're not present, you go to the victim mentality, you're going to miss it. You're going to miss it. And guys, sometimes that's all you get is one opportunity in life, one opportunity. And if you're not fully ready for it and prepared, your life could completely go to shambles, right? You could repair, you could regroup, but you have to be prepared and believe that it's coming. You don't know when, but you're ready. You're ready, you're open for it, and then you take off, baby. You take off. And guys, momentum is huge. In any endeavor, you have to reach a certain threshold of momentum for it to blow up, for it to get big, for it to have enough consistency where you don't have to worry about it anymore. But most people quit, and that takes time. That takes time, consistency, dedication, discipline. Can you show up in those moments fully and honor yourself? And that is not easy, guys. That is hard. No validation. Bills aren't paid. You don't know how anything's going to happen, but you keep showing up. You keep trusting. You keep moving forward, because that is how it is done in the process, baby. Get rid of the outcomes. Get rid of the time frames. Just honor the moments that you have every single day. And guys, one thing we will never understand, the full impact of the ripples that we have in people. And this is where people think, oh, I can't contribute anything. I can't do anything worthwhile or meaningful at this stage in my life. You know, I'm poor, I'm broke, I live in a transition house, you know, all this crap. And it's like, that is so far from the truth. You always have moments to show up and to give and to radiate and to bless people's lives, guys. And this comes with praying for people. This comes from just acknowledging people, having conversations with people, sharing your vulnerability, sharing your truth, and showing up, putting yourself out there, guys, because there's someone that needs to hear your story. There's someone that is in the same position as you, going through the same stuff, and they could use that insight, that guide, and that community. No matter what phase of life, guys, I promise you, you could create empowering ripples, and those come back to you. So just trust it, trust it, trust it. And there has been so many people to sacrifice for you, to forgo their immediate pleasures for you to be in a position of success. And your ancestors, your guides, they see you, they want you to shine, they want you to excel, but you have to put in that work, guys. And imagine how big of a disservice is if you had something radically empowering in you, you didn't act on it, and you let all those sacrifices and what people did for you go to waste, right? Honor their investments, honor the environment, honor the situations and blessings and cards that you've been dealt, because I promise you, there are some people who would die for that, who would, and for example, like for me, rents, I have been lucky, and I've had 2 months, right, where I didn't have to pay rent. And they were offset, they weren't exactly together. But there are some people who don't have to pay rent for 3 months, 6 months to save their finances, get that safety egg, not have any bills. How big of a blessing that is. And some people just play video games. They're not using it to build and grow, and not seeing the advantage and the opportunity is because they're getting bailed out, not receiving tough love, and not getting to see what real life is actually like, guys. And so honor every single blessing you get your way, because I promise you, it can be taken away. And there are people who have it much worse than you. Keep showing up, baby. Keep showing up. Keep showing up. And in life, guys, is you have to experience the fullness of it, right? And it's easy just to want the good stuff, right? Oh, I want the love. I want the mansion. I want the fast cars. I want the beautiful women in my circle. I want the brotherhood, the sisterhood. And being able to speak this stuff is great. But it's like, you can't have that without experiencing the fullness of the betrayal, the suffering, the abandonment, losing stuff, homelessness, house to house, not having stability, health issues. So just honor the process. Know that it is for your betterment, guys. And I am rooting you on every single step of the way. Don't quit. Don't quit. Don't quit. Your time is now. Just keep moving forward, guys. Keep moving forward. And I'm sending you so much love and support along the way. I do offer one-on-one coaching for you guys to step into your fullest truth, your highest expression. We'll work on the disempowerments. We'll create a container where you can be, guys. There is no pressure in my circle to be anything other than who you truly are. And I will love, I will honor and embrace the fullness of it. We'll figure out what's not serving you. We'll let that go through a magnitude of healing tools. And then, guys, we'll create. We'll put good stuff in. I'll hold you accountable so you start to embody it through your actions. And I will support you every step of the way. Always choose your light and empowerment. Blessings and much love.